Hey there. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a homemade coconut curry dressing recipe that I made up myself, and it's going to make you want to eat salad all the time. So delicious. So I'm putting everything into this food processor. Really nice and convenient. I'm going to start off by putting 1 cup of this coconut. It's like a dairy-free coconut. I'm going to start off by doing 1 cup of this. Next, I grabbed a lime and cut it in half, and now I'm going to just squeeze the juice out of this lime. Now I'm using my handy dandy lime squeezer to squeeze fresh lime juice into a separate bowl, which I'm going to add to the mixture. Make sure there's no seeds in your lime juice and then add it to the yogurt mixture. Adding 2 small garlic cloves to the mixture. If you have 1 big garlic clove, you can do that, but these are kind of small. Put that in there. So I've measured out about 1 ounce of peanut butter, no salt, no sugar added, just plain peanuts that are crushed basically. And I'm gonna put some peanut butter in there. I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of this coconut milk that I made. I made it by blending together coconut flakes that are unsweetened with water and draining it. I found that from another YouTube named Autumn Bates. I'm gonna start mixing this together. Can't forget this part, it wants to splash everywhere. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna put some sriracha to make it a little spicy. Right, now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of curry powder. So this is PB2, which is powdered peanut butter. Let's see how it tastes when I add some of that. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of PB2. It's time for the moment of truth. It's really good. Can't wait to put it on my salad. I just made this gorgeous salad, and now I'm going to put my coconut curry dressing on top. Let's do this. Try it at home. Like and subscribe if you tried it, and let me know what you think. My first time making my own salad dressing, just from my brain. Enjoy.